now we will introduce some problems our clients meet when they're using these two machines. Now we are introduce the cable jacket stripping machine. You can see when there are some trashes, we have a tray to collect some waste. Here, when the blowing Kevlar out was blowing out in this tube, so we will put some bag in this tube to collect this Kevlar. This is auto model. But when we meet some problems, for example, when the cable was stopped here, so we could transfer to the manual model. When it is stopped, so we will transfer to manual model. You transfer to manual. Then you can push out.